Hi, my name's Majella. I live here with my husband, 4 children and dog in rural County Down. We've lived here for around 3 years and went for a Neo-Georgian style new build home, which is in the countryside, and we've done our best to try and maximise the views. I have always loved houses, interior magazines. Back before there was kind of Pinterest and Instagram, I loved looking through my mummy's house magazines, so I've always had a keen interest in it, loved picking up things for the house. I've always loved Georgian style country houses. I'll always admire them whenever I'm driving around the countryside, and whilst we've obviously gone for a new build, my preference was to keep that kind of symmetrical and classical look on the exterior and on the interiors as well. This room, I again wanted to just we have lots of windows here, and I wanted to make sure that we could still get the views but also have them dressed really nicely. We framed them with architrave and then put the Roman blinds inside, and I think that's worked quite well. We've also kept the colour the same for all the woodwork and the window frames, so the blinds really get framed very, very nicely by that. I first heard of Material World online, had seen some of their beautiful work, particularly a set of curtains in another account, and really loved the look of them and felt that they were a little bit different. And then I felt that they had an amazing array, and regardless of the location, I could still get all those samples sent to me. It was a very, very easy process. The girls I spoke to were phenomenal. They knew exactly what I was looking for, sent out sample trims. We spoke a couple of times on the phone, we did a video call, I sent 3 pictures, and it was a really, really easy process, and they got exactly what it was that I was looking for and trying to achieve. My best advice and number 1 tip is to take your time, perhaps live in the house for a little while and figure out what it is you need the coverings for. If you need them for privacy, that's quite different to just the aesthetics. I would definitely recommend Material World to anybody, either if you're at the building stage or if you've been in your home for a couple of years. The quality of their fabrics and their customer service is absolutely second to none.